चलो बनाए एक छोटा सा अपना ये आशिया, जहाँ सिर्फ तुम और मैं, और हो ये आसमां। न कोई शोर हो बाहर का, ना कोई दस्तक हो हमारे प्यार की खुशबू से महके ये सारा जहां, हाँ महके ये सारा जहां।
What if you can make this kind of edits in videos in just one click? Yes, now it's possible. In just one click, you can make this kind of videos and edits. No editing skill is required for that. It means now anyone can make videos without knowing proper editing skills. Today, I will talk about an AI tool, or you can say an AI platform, where you can make this kind of videos in just one click. So this AI tool is called Higgsfield AI, where you can get thousands of presets to apply in your video in just one click. And not only presets or effects, you can generate images, generate videos. You can make videos from a single image. It means no shooting is required for making a vlog or a music video or a podcast. What you guys already have shown in YouTube, where the Google's most powerful video generation model is used and generates very powerful AI videos. Let's explore this site first, then we will create something. And the best part of this site is here, you will get each and every AI tool that is available currently in different platforms. This is a all-in-one AI platform, and you don't need to go to multiple sites, or you don't need to create multiple accounts, or you don't need to pay everywhere. This site offers you every AI tool, or you can say every AI model. Doesn't matter if it's an image generation tool or a video generation tool, you will get everything here. Let's create an image. From here, you can go to image creation. Just click here. And while you hover in the image option, you will get many options. Just ignore this options here. We will get all of this options in image creation menu. So let's create it. Now from here, we will get all the AI models. Just choose one model from this menu. Here I am using Nano Banana Pro this time, but you can choose your preferable model from this menu. Now in here, you can choose the advanced options like the aspect ratio, the quality of the image. You can choose 1K, 2K, or 4K if it's available for that model. And also you can generate up to 4 images in one time or in one click. Okay, now just paste your prompt here and click on Generate option and wait for a few seconds and your image will be ready. Now when my image is getting generated, now I will change the model but keep my prompt same to check which model is faster and generates more accurate results. Our all images are ready and the results are fine, but the winner is, we all know, Nano Banana Pro. Now check how we can generate videos from images. Just click here and YPU will get directed to the video generation menu. And in the left side, you will find the settings menu where you can choose the video generating model and the necessary settings to generate your video. Let's check all the models that are available for video generation. I am choosing VO 3.1 here to generate my video. Okay, now just paste your prompt here and upload your starting image and your end image, or you can only upload one starting image here to generate the video. I am only uploading the starting image here. And after pasting your prompt and uploading your image, just click on Generate button and wait for a few seconds, and your video will be ready. And in the meantime, our video is already generated. Let's check how our generated. Let's check the main attraction of this AI site. This is the Cinema Studio, one of the main attractions of Higgsfield AI. Cinema Studio is designed for creators who want true cinematic control, not just basic AI generation. On this platform, you can generate both images and videos, but what truly makes it special is the ability to use real cinematic camera setups, just like in professional filmmaking. Here, you are not limited to random outputs. You can choose exact cinema camera angles, shot types, and camera movements, and the results you get are genuinely cinematic, both in images and in videos. Higgsfield AI offers multiple camera options, allowing you to select the perspective you want, whether it's a wide establishing shot, a dramatic low-angle shot, or a smooth tracking camera. Once selected, you can generate cinematic images or cinematic videos using that exact camera style. Another powerful feature is prompt-based creation. You simply describe your scene using a detailed prompt, and Higgsfield AI understands lighting, depth, composition, and motion to deliver professional quality results. For image generation, you can combine your prompt with a selected cinematic camera to get film-like stills with realistic depth and lighting. For video generation, the process is even more impressive. You can upload just an opening scene image, add your prompt, and Higgsfield AI will generate a complete cinematic video automatically. You also have the option to upload both an opening scene image and an ending scene image, and the AI will intelligently create the entire video sequence in between, smoothly, cinematically, and with natural motion. In some cases, you can even generate a full cinematic video using only a prompt without uploading any images at all. This makes Cinema Studio extremely powerful for creators, brands, filmmakers, and music artists who want high-end cinematic visuals without complex production setups. In simple words, Higgsfield AI's Cinema Studio lets you think like a director, choose your camera, write your prompt, and let AI handle the rest, delivering cinematic results every time. The next powerful feature in Higgsfield AI is called mixed media. And this is where complex video editing becomes incredibly simple. Mixed media is designed for creators who want high-impact edits without spending hours on timelines, layers, and keyframes. With this feature, you simply upload a short portion of your video. It can be any clip you already have, and Higgsfield AI takes care of the rest. Inside mixed media, you'll find a wide range of professionally designed editing presets. These presets include everything from smooth cinematic transitions to advanced visual effects that would normally require advanced editing skills. What makes this feature special is that even highly complicated edits can be created with a single click. All you need to do is upload your video, choose a preset from the available options, adjust a few simple settings below, like intensity or style, and then click Generate. That's it. Higgsfield AI automatically analyzes your footage and applies the selected preset in a way that looks natural, polished, and professionally edited. Within just a few minutes, your video is fully processed and ready to use. No manual editing, no software learning curve, and no technical complexity. Mixed media offers a wide variety of presets, so whether you want cinematic edits, fast-paced social media styles, dramatic visual effects, or clean professional transitions, you can achieve all of it without touching traditional editing software. This feature is especially useful for content creators, music artists, brands, and agencies who want consistent, high-quality edits while saving time and effort. In short, mixed media transforms raw footage into a finished professional video using AI-powered presets, making advanced editing accessible to everyone. Upload your clip, choose your style, click Generate, and let Higgsfield AI handle the complexity behind the scenes. Overall, my experience with Higgsfield AI has been genuinely positive. What I like most about this platform is how it simplifies complex creative work, whether it's cinematic visuals, advanced camera control, or professional video edits, without compromising on quality. The tools are well designed, the workflow is smooth, and the results feel polished and production ready. If you're a creator, filmmaker, music artist, or brand looking to upgrade your visual content while saving time and effort, this is definitely a platform worth trying. I'd recommend exploring Higgsfield AI and seeing how it fits into your own creative process. You'll find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.